How to change your email address in Mitrade. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are using Mitrade and want to change the email address linked to your account, first of all open up the Mitrade application on your device and log in. Once you're logged in, tap on the Hub button at the bottom right corner. After tapping on the Hub button, go ahead and scroll down and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Security. Under Account Security, tap on your current email address and then click on Change Email Address on the next page. Confirm that you want to change your email address. You'll need to re-log in with your new email address, and withdrawals will be restricted for 24 hours for your account security if you choose to do that. Click Continue once you're sure, and then enter your login password to proceed. Finally, click Next, and then on the next page, enter a new email address you want to change to. Once you are done, click on Send Email. Click on Open Email to open up your email inbox, and you'll receive an email from Mitrade. Click it Open and click on Verify Now. Soon after you do that, you will be able to verify your new email. Now click on Done inside the Mitrade app and your email will be verified. From next time, you'll need to go ahead and enter your newly updated email to log into your account. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.